I'm not. Okay, hello everyone. This is my topic, and I have a question for you. Have you ever heard people say Japanese and Korean are more stylish than Taiwanese? Actually, I'm totally agree with the point of view. Because the weather in Taiwan is so hot and wet, so obviously it is hard for us to become stylish or having a nice outfit by only wearing shirts and pants. Unless you need to have some jackets, accessories, or real makeup, right? But what's worse, summer in Taiwan is getting longer and hotter nowadays. And when we even need to turn the AC on November. Such bad news. But what if I tell you the rise in temperature will not turn back during the 21st century? And no matter if you accept this horrifying truth or not, the upcoming question is, to what extent will the future climate be? Therefore today I would like to share you about how the future climate will be like and how the scientists predict temperature. Estimating temperature is a challenge under the climate change. It's unlike the anniversary events of department stores that happen every single year and being predictable. We cannot predict the future climate by the historical data because climate itself is changing. So scientists did it by making reasonable assumptions. And let's return to the very root of the beginning. Climate change is caused by the enhanced of greenhouse effect. And the greenhouse effect is caused by the increasing intensity of human activities. So, scientists made these assumptions based on different types of human activity scenarios, which is the SSP, shared socioeconomic pathways. And there are 5 pathways. The first one, SSP1, sustainability, which means it is a pure green road and all the countries must engage and focus on making low carbon transition. Next, SSP2, middle of the road. Just like some people are really focusing and taking actions on climate adaptation, well, still others doing nothing and kept using fossil fuels. And the third one, regional rivalry, which means that countries only take their own benefits into consideration. To simplify it, the best interpretation is regional wars, like the battle between Ukraine and Russia, Israel and Hamas. Next, inequality. As long as the M-shaped society, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. The last one, fossil fuel development, which means people give up using and developing renewable energy, and they turn back to use fossil fuels as their energy resource. And you may wonder how these 5 different pathways affect our future. And let's look at these 2 charts. These 2 charts were made by IPCC, which is an intergovernmental body under the United Nations. Let's look at your left-hand side. This chart, only SSP1 and 4 has presented a drop on CO2 emission. But no matter which path our future choose, then to our right-hand side, all the pathways present an increase and not dropping during the 21st century. So to sum up, scientists made models to estimate future climate and by setting these 5 SSP scenarios. And although it is some uncertainties that will happen during the research, all the results has disclosed the truth, and we need to have adjust our attitude and start taking climate change very seriously. Thank you.